Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're gonna go fly the Mavic Mini because Andre over here, hey Andre, can you see him? The sun's behind him. Hang on, let me do this. There we go. As I wrap around Andre. Now you can see him better.
There you go, 360.
All right, so Andre must think I'm insane. So Andre, come on. Nobody likes doing videos with me. So Andre flew the Power Egg X in a previous video. Here, I'll put the camera this way so the light works better. And when he flew the Power Egg X, he has a Phantom. You have a Phantom, right?
Yes, I do.
And he doesn't fly his Phantom too much anymore. It's quite large. It's a Phantom 4. But he enjoyed the Power Egg X, and he said, you know what? I really need to get myself a small little drone, as you saw in the video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link to it below. So we're out here today, and down in his hand, he has the DJI Mavic Mini, because he's actually considering that one. So I thought, what should a friend do? I'll bring him out and let him fly it as if it's his and take it around this area out here. We're out, there's people ice fishing behind us over there. So he's got a few things he can film and see how he likes it. So that's what this video is about. And if you're considering getting a Mavic Mini, watching Andre, check out this Mavic Mini, might help you out. Here we go. Okay, Andre, you got the landing pad and you've got the Mavic Mini, so go ahead.
Have at it. All right. Yeah. Oh, there's locks.
Yeah, locks. That's a Canadian-made Nanook case.
Nanook.
Yeah.
What? Oh, and then it's
childproof. Sorry about that.
I'm getting there. Oh, there we go. Ta-da.
There we go. So
Nice.
you're going to need your gloves off to put.
Yeah.
It's very small, so yeah, gloves off.
All right. So a little drone with the 3D printed clips.
Yes, if you haven't seen the video where Andre made those clips for me with a 3D printer we tested out, then I'll put a link below and you can watch that too.
It looks like this guy just, whoa. Okay, that's the gimbal cover.
Okay, so you found the gimbal cover. Good.
Yeah. And then do they just, oh, they swing out. Cool. And there's no little legs on the back one. It's all in the body. All right. Gimbal cover goes back in there. And it looks like there is a clip. No, the battery's up here.
Yeah. So I didn't put any batteries in. You just yank one out. You may need two hands because the batteries sort of like clip in there. That you see that. Yeah, you got to take.
Okay.
There you go. There you got it. Yeah, they kind of
oh,
lock
look at
in
that.
place.
All right. So battery number 3.
So I fully charged them all. You can just plop that in any old way.
Yeah. And then there's the connector ports right there. So it's very obvious which is up. Click.
That's it.
Click. And
there
then
you
I
go,
guess fire it up.
Yeah, just like a Phantom.
So hold.
Yeah, you do the 1-2 hold.
1, 2.
And hold, and should come to life. And then flip it over. Does it come to life?
I didn't hear anything. Oh, I saw the light. There you go.
All right,
there you go.
Flip it over, plop it down, and it will get itself all calibrated.
Okay.
Nicely. All right, so now you need the controller.
Up we go.
Just plug the cable in the side of the controller too. You can see I've got it sticking out. That's just so it fits in my case.
Gotcha. So this is the charge cable?
It can be, well, you can use it as a charge cable, but it is the one that's going to connect to the iPhone.
Gotcha. Oh, I see. It loops in through.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the antennas, they just kind of spin up and orientate out.
Yeah, and then open the little handles in the front. There you go. And the phone's going to fit in there.
Yeah. All right.
There you go. I'll give you a phone.
All right. And it works with the case on it?
Yeah, case can stay on. It's going to be it's a huge phone, so it's a bit of a tight fit. So you spread the arms
all the way out?
Like this way. You pull them out that way. Yeah, so they can
like
come
that.
out on an angle.
Could you try again?
Could you try again?
Siri's talking to us.
You got her on a foreign...
Yeah. So that's it. Doesn't have to be tight.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Go away, Siri.
I said it's got to be tight. She says I don't know how to respond to
respond
this.
to
It's a
that?
family channel.
Whoa!
What are you doing, Siri?
Whoa! Yeah, but does it cover over the port?
No.
No? Okay.
No, not on mine. I leave it like that because you don't want to damage this thing.
No. It's in there nice and firm.
So, and then what you have to do is turn this on.
All right, so turn on the... But where's the... Oh,
First turn this on.
okay, so
And then it might start up for you automatically on the actual iPhone. If it's connected, it will... There you go. What do you see?
There's my foot.
There's your foot.
There's my
Woohoo.
foot.
All right, give it a shot, Andre. I'll come down.
Take off.
There you go.
Nice. Oh,
So
look
you
at that.
see it's pretty easy to fly. What does your screen say? Take a look at your screen right now.
Yeah.
And the top left, what's it say? Just P
In
mode?
flight, P mode, in flight. I'm just playing with the gimbal right now. Down.
Hey, am I in the video, Andre? No, I'm not.
There you go. Gotcha.
There I am. Great. Okay, Andre,
Yep.
She's all yours. Go
All
up,
right.
go over, go visit some people, and then tell me what you think.
All right, here we go. I'm going on towards the trees over there, the far side. I'll bring it back towards us here in a sec. I'm just seeing how it flies. Oh, look at this. And you know what? There's semi bit of wind today, and it's fine. Oh, wow. Oh, what a nice little machine. All right, gonna come back to us.
Now, when you come back to us on the
come down
screen,
lower.
look on the screen.
Yeah.
See where it says P over
Yeah.
on the left?
Yeah.
Tap it with your finger until it says S.
S? All right. Sport,
Okay.
high speed.
There you go. Now, come back to us, full blast.
All right, let me line up first. Woo! Wow, okay.
Just don't crash into anything.
No,
It should
here
be
we go.
coming at us.
Right at
There it
us.
is.
There
Come
it
right
is.
out, right over us, and I'll get an image of it. Oh,
Hi.
draw off to the left, and there it is up there. Watch out, the tree, the tree! And he goes into the tree.
Oh,
There's
got
Andre.
It, got it. I was on the brakes. Woo! Steve doesn't trust me with any of his stuff.
Okay, your driver's test is going okay so far. You may get your license.
I didn't crash. I just tapped it.
Just tap the tree. I think she's okay.
It's still up there
All right, so put it back in P mode.
in P mode.
And I forgot to tell you this. There's no obstacle avoidance.
Okay. All right.
All right,
let's
Andre,
go.
carry on. Go visit those guys over out.
Let's
go up, go
Let's
down.
go do an orbit around that one.
Yeah.
All right.
Go video all those guys. There's people out there ice fishing, having a grand old time.
I got my gimbal turned down a bit.
The good thing with the little Mini is it's not very loud, so you shouldn't spook too many of them.
No, and I'm up high enough up. I'm not invasive. 82% battery. Again, you run with no expo, right?
I run it so everything moves smooth, so it's cinematic.
Yeah.
All nice, smooth movements. Yeah.
I definitely noticed a difference in P mode coming back into the wind.
Oh, it'd be very slow, but
Yeah.
yeah.
It's nice though. And then, oh, I see a tree. I'm gonna go for a tree. Sorry, Steve. Sorry. This is really nice. My hands are freezing, but it's really nice.
This is welcome to Canada.
Wow, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed for what it is. And I've been up for a good couple of minutes now, and I'm like still 70-something% battery. And I'm coming right over top of us. I'm trying to bring my altitude down. Wow, it doesn't drop down very quick though.
No, it's very slow, and you're by a tree.
I'm not by a tree.
Here, drop it down to about 2 feet off the snow. This is always my favorite with the little drones like this. Come down to about 2 feet.
Yeah.
You can come down lower.
Yeah.
Lower. Okay, and tap your screen.
Okay.
Go into, so you've got P mode, and then you've got S. And
Yeah.
what's the next one?
C. This
So-
is Cine Smooth.
Yes. So now you have it nice and slow. It's going to make sweeping turns, and it does not stop fast. But go forward, it'll go very slow.
Oh, look
And
at
you should,
that.
and keep the gimbal down a little bit.
Down?
Yeah,
Okay.
you should be able to fly between us.
Oh, yeah.
There we go,
Huh.
and just fly around. It makes very nice cinematic footage.
As long as the wind doesn't blow it towards me. Oh, we're good. We're good. Look at that. Wow. I'm trying to bring it around.
I can't keep up. I'm falling in
No.
the snow
I was
here.
gonna, oh wow, you can't even do like a nice little like whip around maneuver. Like I should be able to do a slow track around you.
Yeah, it makes very wide sweeping turns. They're not
Yeah.
tight.
Wow.
The video usually looks pretty darn decent from these.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it's I'm trying to do a turn here, and it's. Look at that. That's pretty darn cool. All right, back into P mode.
Yeah, go back into P.
Whee! That's really nice.
Should give you a start.
Yeah.
It should count down.
2. Bye.
And it will automatically make a recording. You don't have to hit the record button.
Nice. 40% done, 50%. That's kind of cool.
And I believe it comes back. I could be wrong. Yeah, it
It's
comes back.
returning.
Comes back to right where it started.
Huh. That's kind of neat.
You can try the, since we have the trees behind us, you can try rocket.
All right.
So if you do rocket and then select yourself, same thing. So it's done.
So I got to go...
See where it said droney? Pick that.
Yeah, that
Now
one.
go to pick rocket.
Rocket. Okay.
Yeah, and then same idea. Draw something around you. I'll get out of the way.
Got it. Ready?
And then hit the start button.
3.
Three.
Should go
two,
straight up and stay
one.
on you. Okay, the camera will stay on you the whole time.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, I'm trying to get this. It's way over our heads.
Way up. Nice.
It's way up there.
Nice. And it should go to 30 meters. There
No,
you go.
Here, as it comes. Oh, it's done. When it makes that sound, it stops recording.
Yeah. You went to 30 meters, which is what it's supposed to do.
And now
All right.
try circle. And
Circle.
here, I'll try to follow it.
All right. I'm going to turn that down just a touch here. All right. Ready this time?
Yeah,
Here we go.
Let me know when you're about to
3, 2, 1.
Okay,
I'll
Andre's
stay
in
still
circle
this
mode.
time.
Here we go. I'm going to follow the drone circling Andre.
That's cool.
So, it's about running speed. And I'll just let it go. And I'll come back
I don't
this
know when
way.
you actually would do any of this stuff, but you know,
There you are.
it's still pretty cool.
Oh yeah, usually when you're on vacation or something, these
Yeah.
are really cool things. That's what
Yeah.
most people use them. Camera's 12 megapixels if you take photos.
There you go. Take a photo.
Here, try
Ready?
another one. I'll stand in here with my other camera.
Ready? And cheese.
It's pretty low.
I know. It's
like-
amazing, actually.
Yeah.
And it's like the gimbals are actually really stable.
And not only that the gimbal's stable, but this drone, I'm not going to stick my fingers in it, but it's not frightening. Like that buzzing around my body is not a big deal. Around my eyeballs or head maybe, but no, it's it doesn't freak people out. It just sounds like a bee. All right, bring it down for a landing.
Oh, that's really nice. Actually, it's really smooth to land too.
Oh yeah, you could land it on a dime if you had to.
That's what I'm trying to do. Come on. Oh, it doesn't want to commit to low. Oh, there he goes. Oh, you can actually steer it in a tiny bit too on landing. Cool.
Pretty cool. So, Andre, what did you think?
I like that. I like that a lot. That is a nice. Oh. I mean, you can't go wrong. Okay, like you said, it doesn't have some of the sensor packs. I flew into a tree. You know, it didn't do a dent, nothing. Jeez, and it's so light. And you know what? It's not exact. It's probably minus 3 or 4 degrees. The battery performed really well. There's a little bit of wind. I got a wind warning when I went out far, but kept it within visual line of sight the entire time. It's easy enough to track. Surprisingly, for the size of it, you can still keep your visual on it. And I almost had no range issues at all with the wireless. So.
Yeah, and compared to you normally fly your Phantom, what did you think?
Geez. I mean, it's on par with what the Phantom will do. Obviously, a little slower, but there's no way you could fly a Phantom in this tight quarter without annoying everybody. It's noisy, right?
Exactly.
And yeah, like you said, take it on vacation. It's got enough of a camera, enough of a gimbal. You're still going to get all the cool shots. That's really impressive. And half the price.
And half the price,
Half
exactly.
the price.
All right, guys, if Andre gets himself a Mavic Mini, you'll see us back here with 2 Mavic Minis flying, and that'd be pretty cool in tandem. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions about this here drone, check the links below. I have links to where you can get one of these, plus any other reviews I've done on it, so you can find out all about the Mavic Mini. Really good drone. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Thumbs up if you can on radio. He's got a thumb. All right, catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.